Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the ocean. Pretty rough, but people are in there. I see some bodyboarding as well. Pretty interesting. Oh, who's there? Marcus.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm here. That was too close.
That was so close. I got my brand new shoes on, man.
Dang.
I would have ruined them.
Didn't have 10. But
Everything is good, man. The sun is out and we're gonna take a walk now. The beach is still the same. They cleaned it up pretty good here. We're gonna take a stroll now a little bit through the neighborhood and see what's new over there. We just walked over here and it is back on track here. They have seating here again and looks good. I feel like it's the perfect climate right now. It's a beautiful wind. It's still warm. It is 27 degrees and yeah, but it's a nice breeze. Actually a little bit windy even. But you know what? It's great.
that's a good breed from Germany.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's regular.
Yeah.
Okay.
Streets looks pretty normal and good. As you can see here, it's immaculate, clean streets. Because of all the rain, of course, everything is cleaned out. Also, they're always sweeping around here.
They enforced the rule.
Yes.
Because look at this corridor.
Beautiful. Beautiful footpath.
Yeah.
So you have parking on the right and parking on the left. But usually they're always, because someone is employed here to take care that everyone is standing properly.
Oh, it's not with this guy.
Yeah, one of those. He also takes care probably of the whole 43 town thingy. Because there's so many restaurants, there has to be some rules intact, yeah. So we are right now in the Chan Bak Dan Street. Chan Bak Dan. Maybe I have a street sign somewhere. 43 town, yes. So 43 town is basically everything now. Here, you got the Wiener House going on. Very important here in Vietnam. Wiener House is growing on you, I can tell you that. I kind of like this Wiener House. And they have funny dances to it, especially the ladies. They have dancing always a specific way. Yeah, it's very entertaining, I would say. You got the Gold Meat House here on the right. Whenever you want to have very good Korean barbecue, go there. They have beautiful high ceilings, very nice, especially for all barbecue places. High ceilings is a must.
Well, I have a question. Is this Bottega 5 a good restaurant?
I don't know. I've been there when they opened. I walked by and then they invited me for a pizza one day. I had the pizza. I filmed it actually on my main channel, and there was 1 year ago or so.
But it looks very nice.
Yeah. It was a good tandoori pizza, but I have no idea how it is now. There was a nice dude there, but I don't think he works there anymore, so who knows. Here, pavement, be careful. Always watch your steps. But it's still a proper 6 out of 10 because you don't have to climb above anything. Yes,
probably.
this is dangerous, but that's why it's also only 6. Maybe give it a 5 out of 10.
But now we're coming to an 8? Or what is
This is an 8. Look at this beautiful corridor.
Oh.
Beautiful walk. Path. Wow. And here you have lots of Chinese, Korean, and Vietnamese restaurants. Lots of Korean restaurants there. Also a lot of spas in between. And here this is a bar and sports bar. They're showing live sports. And the staff is playing this fun game. I saw this game when they're kicking it around in Hoi An always. But it's good. It's like, what do they do there?
They're preparing stuff.
Huh. Maybe it's pepper.
Oh, the salt and pepper. They're
Salt and
cleaning
pepper. Oh, that's
it's a
nice.
place.
Yeah.
They're cleaning it.
Now here we have not 100% good rules here. Look at this. Wow, Marcus. the wind blew this thing out down.
Wow.
It's dangerous, guys. Be careful. Wow, the wind is very strong now. Dude. Okay, guys. You gotta be careful because sometimes there are loose objects flying around. If you walk by construction sites, be very cautious. Very cautious. Maybe walk on the other side.
Well, is it a real balcony for an apartment, or it's just?
What? Maybe that's
Yeah.
the owner's place.
It looks so nice.
Or maybe it's a, like, I don't know, it's not a penthouse, it's in the middle.
Yeah.
But yeah, that would look very nice. Imagine you stand there in the morning with your bathing rope.
Yeah, in the coffee.
So this is absolute chaos here.
Hello. But here in this street, it's just in the other alley. They want to open a hard rock cafe, or what they do?
Huh?
Or
You mean
Harley Davidson
Harley
or
Davidson, I think, yeah, over there. I'm not sure how far they are.
Because that's
my
what I
God.
remember
Jeez.
last time.
This one, this building,
Yeah, exactly.
should become a Harley Davidson and a spa. I don't know why this is in one building and one Harley Davidson place and a spa. So if you if you want to buy a Harley Davidson, you get a foot treatment.
For the hard guys and women.
All right, all right.
Who's
Or maybe, okay, that sound maybe misogynistic, or whatever this name is.
Oh.
But maybe the man goes, let's be very liberal. Maybe the woman goes and buys a Harley and the man gets a treatment. That's what the West is about.
cute.
Yeah, no, but let's be honest, maybe it's the other way around.
But
Because
also
we all
smart.
know when we are in the mall and the lady is shopping, just when I go with my wife to the mall and she wants to go through all that things, I also sit somewhere and maybe have a coffee or a bar, you know. That's why I also saw this in Hong Kong. There was a German pub. A German pub, it called Biergarten something in Hong Kong. And there was like husband daycare. So the woman can just leave the husband there and he can talk and have some sausages and beer. And she can go shopping in the mall.
Yeah.
It's very smart and very good. And yeah, that's Präventivmaßnahme.
That's the German word for today.
I don't even know. I don't know the English word. But you know what?
Preventive.
No. Let the Germans answer that. I know there are Germans here who speak good English. Let's see. Let's see if I get cancelled already. But look at this. They're open now. Caribou. We just had a coconut over there now. That was the yellow stand on the beach.
Oh, no, the expat.
Yeah. And this is a spa here, Oriental Medicine Spa. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
So they're just opening up slowly here. I'm not sure what this will be.
Look at this offer.
Whoa! Whoa! Dude, what is that?
$1.
Barmy Joy. You know what that is?
Huh?
100% Australian. You know who always says barmy?
Yeah.
David always says barmy.
Oh,
That has to be Australian.
you think?
Or it is for Australians, because I don't know. Or, dear Aussies, you say barmy, right? Or do the Americans say that too? I'm not sure.
Because this is the regular one. It's just banh mi. It's
Yeah.
Banh mi. It's no banh mi. It's
I mean-
banh mi.
It's like this, right?
Yeah.
Buy one, get one free. Dude,
It's this free. It's a drink or a pastry.
today's opening, 11/11. That's awesome. I like the outfit, the outfit. I like the whole setup, yeah. Awesome, hello. Ooh, okay, you got some drinks over here. The banh mi stuff here. Then you have banh mi egg, and those are the prices. Fusion banh mi. And then you got also some chocolate croissant, that looks good. And they poured in more chocolate. Oh my God, I gotta leave, man. Oh, thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I gotta leave, man. I cannot have this chocolate croissant, even though I want to. Let me know in the comments, have you tried it yet? But I will definitely try it out soon. Turkish kebab.
You know what? This is the same store, the shop,
You really think that?
100%. Because now today I saw the owner just walking here.
Really?
Yeah, he went there. Just free.
But this is now this is gourmet.
Oh.
It's no more restaurant.
The double price.
It's a gourmet, baby.
Yeah, let's see.
But it's good. I mean, I think they're gonna be successful there. Depends what they're gonna sell, right? Then this is an Indian store here, and an Indian restaurant. Pure veg food. So for all the vegetarians, maybe that's the place for you. If you fancy some vegetarian curry. This was before a Korean barbecue. Now it's a Vietnamese restaurant.
Come 10.
Well, I don't know. I have not tried yet.
But also look at the right side. They're building something big.
This is gonna be something. Next year it will be open, they say here.
It's a very interesting structure. It's like how they build.
Look at this dude.
Boom.
It's flexing, or what is not flexing? It's like welding,
In
with
German,
flip-flops.
I would say Schweißen.
Schweißen, yeah. No, I think it's welding. And lots of new spas here. I think if you haven't been here for 1.5 years, this whole street must have looked completely different now.
Should be.
And also a pho place here. I was not sold on this one. I tried it with my wife, and she was like, "Meh."
But I want to go this way.
Yeah, let's
because
walk.
it's for the.
Oh, you cannot walk there anymore, bro.
Oh, no.
They closed it off. They built a fence.
Crazy.
They built a wall. I wonder if Mexico paid for it. No, probably not.
That's
Dude.
not fair.
That's not fair, man.
That was our shortcut.
Yeah.
So we have to take it out of your treasury map, right?
It was never there. It was never there. But if you have not yet, get the Google Maps, guys. We just talked again with a lot of people who love it. We have it in German and we have it in English. But if you want to have it in English, here's the QR code. Get the Google Maps card before you come here. They are also now extended with the hotels in specific price brackets and whatever you need before you come here, all in this guide. I like this Renault Django, even though it's a French vehicle. So be careful, guys. When it is windy, don't walk here. We saw last time this one metal thing just dropped down. Always walk on the left side, guys. Do you see, Marcus?
Yeah.
If people don't watch my channel, they literally can die.
Yes.
Yeah. You're welcome, guys.
And this is the reason why you should subscribe and ring the bell.
Ring the bell and like this video, guys. Wow, there are a lot of motorbikes here. Does not seem like this is my favorite bike, Lexi.
Oh, Lexi.
Yeah, David has it too. But I test drove it when it came out last year, and it was the best bike for me. I just don't drive motorbike, but maybe I will buy it anyways. I should buy it just to have it. I really like it. But what I would rather have is an electrical bicycle with the fat tires. Yeah, those I would drive that one. But to be honest, I love walking, and this is a walking channel. And if I would start driving around, that would be very bad. Euro is 38, but you know what? The euro dropped, and the US dollar raised. So it was before 31.8, and it was 26, and now it's 38.
So it's reversed right now.
Yes. So the dollar is a little bit stronger now than it was before.
Good.
Yeah, that's good for YouTube. Puppies over there. Oh wow. Look at how many people working over there.
Almost
I
done.
think they're gonna be done soon. They spachtel the whole facade.
How you can tell? I don't know the English word for it.
Yeah, spachteln. Oh man. It feels very peaceful at the moment in Da Nang. Very peaceful. I think the good weather tourists are definitely gone. So it's very calm and quiet at the moment. I don't understand people who say it's overhyped or over tourism. Bro, I think they have never been to Thailand.
Bangkok, right
man.
now at the airport.
Yes.
Good luck.
Good luck, good luck. There are like 2,000 people waiting in the immigration line. They're pretty efficient and very quick, I have to say that. Still, a lot of people there. Look at how empty everything is. Beautiful. This is the perfect time if you don't want to have it hot and you are a little bit waterproof and you are aware that it will rain a lot. It could rain at any time. This is
transport.
yeah. It's a refrigerator on a motorbike.
You know, this reminds me on this theme from Bodyguard, the movie.
Yeah.
It's Whitney Houston and Kevin Costner
Yeah.
when he protected her.
Oh man.
So romantic.
Should we have another coffee?
Yeah, let's have it.
Yeah. Then I have to go and edit. I'm so busy, guys, with our German channel, so I try to do more walking videos in the city because I really want to check out the Han market. If they are recovered with all the fake good ban, because all the stores around the Han market were closed now for many months. I want to see if they're open again, or what happened to the storefront, you know? Do they have something new there? Like, what happened to all those business people who...
They're still doing the business.
Yeah.
Just without
behind closed doors, because I cannot imagine that they just can function if it's closed, right? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.